What's up, YouTube? I'm on my brother's channel. I'll be showing you how to Doordash today. Doordash is a pretty easy delivery service. To sign up for Doordash, you just have to be 18 years old, have a smartphone, have an insured car, and have a clean driving record. So once you open up Doordash on the app, it'll tell you, you'll see how busy it is in your location. Right now, in the location we're in, it's only 1 bar busy, so that's not very busy. But there's actually a peak pay going on. So you can earn an extra $2.50 for every order you complete. So that's really good. The most I've ever seen is like $5, but usually it's only like $1. So we're gonna dash now, and then you have to select how long you want to dash. So we're just gonna say 6 o'clock. Right now it's 5:15. We have enough gas, phone charge, red card, hot bag, and space blanket. And then it tells you where hotspots are. So it'll give you directions to where there's a lot of orders going on in your area, and you can drive there and sit and wait for an order, or you can just drive around where you think that you may get an order. And 50 cents, which is actually a lot at the Grain Cafe, and it gives you 30 seconds to accept. You're the only one that gets these options to accept. Single order, so we'll accept that. And then it'll give you directions to where to go. And now you just follow the map and it'll take you to the restaurant where you pick up the items. 2. So after you get the items, you click you have each item after you check, and then slide out. Once you've arrived, you'll say slide after arrival, and then it'll tell you what to do. And obviously it says leave at door. Confirms the items you have. So you'll take it to the door. And after you deliver it, you say slide after delivery. It tells you how much you made. Base pay, peak pay, plus customer tip. Got it. And then I pause my dashes after this, so you can say resume dash or end dash. And I'm just going to end dash. And you see that you made a total of $12.50. So that's a lot for one order. And then it'll take you back to the base of where everything is. And you can see, and you can maybe drive around, find somewhere that's more busy. But I really like Doordash, and I think it's a really good delivery service to make money, and usually you don't have to use your card, so it's pretty easy. So I hope that helps with Doordash.